it's Sejal. I recently traveled to New York City but got a chance to come back to the US with Go USA to film travel videos. This time my partner in crime is my cousin sister Shreya and we are in Chicago. We're gonna explore, go on a road trip and have a blast. This is Chicago Part 2. We've actually left downtown today, so we've come out to the neighborhoods. So the look is extremely different. We're going to explore many neighborhoods in the next couple of days. So right now we're in a place called Logan Square. First thing on the agenda, get some food. So for breakfast, a bunch of you guys recommended that I check out this place called Bang Bang. Now I think this is it. I saw the pictures online. It has an outdoor seating. Oh, that's mine. Thank you.
Egg. I got a chicken pot.
Excited about the food and overwhelmed with his energy. I was just like, oh my god, you're such a nice person. I didn't even realize. Yeah.
Scratch biscuit, slice of key lime, and a slice of...
Oh, wow, thank
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
I like it. It's nice. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. It was a pleasure having you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm in such a good mood right now because Ben, who we just met, was so nice and so sweet. And in general, I've noticed that people usually, if you cross someone on the street, they'll say hi to you and you say hi back. So it's just really nice. Like people talk to each other and it's just a really fun and really nice environment. There are lots of pieces of street art and murals in Logan Square. Also, this place is a little more artsy and slightly more hipster. So I can see that the look is so different. So let's go find a bunch of murals and check them out. Piece of street art is called The Party. Usually, the artist writes the name of the piece and their name on the side. And I think this one's really interesting because there are these really realistic faces. Then we spotted a couple of artists making a mural and I had to go talk to them. They were super interesting. They told me how they project the image that they've drawn on the wall using a projector, then trace it out and then paint for a couple of days and then they have their mural ready.
It's so easy right now to tell you that you're the one for me. I've been thinking a long time, maybe we could rewrite our history. So come with me and we'll take on the world. There's nothing that you and I won't see. It's so easy to tell you, baby, you're the one for me.
So we've made it to Wicker Park. This is another neighborhood where a lot of vintage shops are, a lot of cafes and a lot of other shops. So I really wanted to shop today. I want to get some cool things from vintage shops. So I can see a few of them here. I'm going to go in and explore. So I've noticed that people have really nice style here. I feel like everyone makes a little bit of an effort. And I've noticed that people have a little bit of an edgier style here, which I'm really into. So I've seen a few things that people have been wearing. For example, Doc Martens. Every second person's wearing Doc Martens, so I feel like getting a pair myself. So let's see.
Mismatch will get red hot. Now go!
They're not. I'm just waiting for,
Sorry.
yeah.
Lucas, come on.
Oh, he's giving me a naughty look.
He knows
Hey,
what
get
he's
up.
doing.
Get up.
Got a hat? All right.
So we've come out to this Cuban place for dinner. It's called 90 Mile. It's so nice. The atmosphere is so fun. They have good music, lights, and I've never tried tried Cuban food before, so it's my first time. Then we made our way to a jazz club called the Green Mill to go watch a jazz performance. The interesting part about this place was that once you get your drinks and everything, you cannot speak. People will literally come and shush you so that you don't disturb the performers. And honestly, this is the best performance I've ever watched. Here's a little sneak peek for you guys. Alright, good morning guys, it's day 4. So we started off with breakfast at this really cool cafe called Smoke Bird. So today we've come out to another neighborhood called Pilsen. This is actually a Mexican neighborhood, so most of the neighborhoods close to Chicago have influences from different places. So we're going to explore this one. This already looks pretty cool to me. I want to go to a couple of vintage shops and just roam about, so let's go! Look at this jacket. This is really cool. Shreya, this is cool, right? Okay, I really like this. It's cool, no? It's cool, right? I like it. So I ended up getting the jacket. So it's 100% authentic, and I'm gonna feel like a badass when I wear this jacket, basically.
Now go!
Alright, so we're still in the neighborhood. We're a little close to Logan Square, and we've come out to this bar called Lost Lake. It's a tiki bar. That's a new thing I've learned too. So apparently here they have lots of drinks with a beachy theme, lots of coconuts, really fun looking drinks, and hopefully they're tasty too. And the look of the place is pretty cute, so I'm excited to go in. Let's go! That is the end of Chicago Part 2. Huge thanks to Go USA for sponsoring this video, and you guys stay tuned for Part 3 because we go for a road trip in that one.